Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to change your Skype profile photo. So guys, this video totally helpful. So I'm open Skype and share profile, upload profile photo. So I'm just click download icon, then I'm upload one girl photo and save. This is saved automatically. Share the content. Okay, this is my username. Okay, I'm just click copy and don't need how to want to open this, just Firefox browser or Firefox. So guys, now this video totally helpful for education purpose, so I want to need support. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. So this is the profile is ready. So goodbye.